Hey, what's going on, guys? Boy Maximum RPM coming at you with another video today. And in this video, we are going to be doing a battle with a new, old creation of mine. So, this bay was made a while ago, and it was originally a concept for one of All Max Shatter's attack rings. However, it performed very well, so I decided I was going to make it into a full concept project. And I was originally going to be using Unholy Shatter for my 5-person tournament. However, I wanted to try something different because I always use a lot of Shatter bays, and I know everyone loves battling Shatter. However, I thought it would be interesting to bring in a completely new project. This project is called Freight Train, and the reason I call it that is because it's going to have a one-track mind. It reminds me a lot of, I think it was called Manta Diver from the old Plastic Gen. And let's just say this thing's going to be a beast. 0 dagger charge. I think this bay has a lot of potential.